Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters and thereby narrowing down your search on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on Find Jobs and click on the button Filter in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can type in a keyword into the search bar at the top, which can either be a job title, skill, or anything else. Here you can select these three options, such as Easy Apply Only, Work from Home Only, or Jobs with fewer applicants. So tap on the relevant one. Then you can apply the date posted filter, past 24 hours, past 7 or 30 days. So tap on the relevant one, then click on the done button at the top. Here you can also narrow down your search based on the country. You can choose more than one. Also the city can be selected, the employment type, gender and industry as well. After applying all these filters, click on the Found Jobs button down below. And here you are going to find all of the results based on your preferences. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.